Good afternoon to all. Today I am here to represent our East Indian culinary group. Today I am going to make milk cream, which is specially made during Christmas. I'll show you all how to make the sweet. This is half liter Amul milk. With Amul milk it becomes nice. On the gas, and you have to keep stirring continuously so that it does not get burnt. It takes long, but be careful. If you stop stirring, it will get burnt down. For this sweet, we need half liter milk, as I showed you all. Then 275 grams sugar, 50 grams cashew. And this is the form where afterwards we will put and give it shell shape. You can give any shape, but shell shape is better for milk cream. And these are our masalas which we do. This is the khuddi masala. We can use for chicken, mutton, even vegetable like pulses and all. It tastes very nice. This is the fresh ground. It is freshly ground. We roast all the masalas and then prepare it. This is the khuddi masala, which is again used for fish and meat, all that. This is garam masala. And these are haldi powder. We prepare all these masalas at home. Freshly ground at home. And this is the fruit cake, specially made for Christmas. We do this with many type of dry fruits mixed in. The sugar, you can take that, ground castor sugar. Castor sugar you have to take 250 grams. We thank Amul. We thank the Amul show for promoting us, helping us to come up and show the different type of sweets and our culture. Thank you, Amul, for helping us. Amul milk, if you use Amul milk for milk cream, the milk cream becomes white. And other milk are there. You can use that also, but that the milk cream is little cream in color. It becomes little creamish. Doesn't come out pure white. Then I use Amul ghee also. Little 1 spoon we need to add in the milk cream at the end. That is at the end. Then this vanilla, almond vanilla. Almond vanilla. Almond vanilla is put very little, just for flavor. If you don't put also, it will do. But it's nice, must put little. This takes a lot of time. this number because my phone, the recording is going on. Yeah. Our East Indian culinary, along with sweets, make food also, different type of foods like chicken moil, then chicken, different varieties of chicken curry like khuddi curry, fish curries we make, fish stuffing we do, chicken stuff. All this is done during Christmas. And be careful while stirring because the milk comes up. It should not overflow. Otherwise, all the cream which is needed for milk cream will all go down. And keep stirring the side because we need that cream. If you all need anything, you can contact us. This is our number, Vile Parle team. You can always contact us and we make fresh. Even masalas are freshly prepared. As we get order, then and there we grind and then we deliver. We do not grind and store and then send. Fresh masalas. And we do not use any preservatives in our masalas. It's all freshly ground. For the fish curry, red masala, Vindhyalo masala. Then for kujit, khuddi masala, everything is all freshly ground. Without any preservatives. Nowadays we get lot of preservatives in everything. In our sweets also there is nothing added. Like nowadays Golmaal they do nothing like that. All sweets. Pure sweets. We make different type of cakes also like rum cake, wine cake, mawa cake, mixed fruit cake, coconut cakes, so many marble cake, so many types of cake. There are varieties of cake. You just ask and we will make it for you. And our rates also are reasonable, not like the, sorry to say, not like the shop. For the details. Yeah. You must have seen our other teams also making different type of sweets. They showed you all about food. First we were a small team. Now by the grace of God we have become quite nice big team. So from anywhere you can contact Bandra, Malad, anywhere. We have teams everywhere. Vile Parle, not forgetting. Just contact us and we will make whatever you need. And keep scraping the side because that cream gets stuck at the side and that is very important. We need that cream. And be careful, it should not get burnt. While reducing the milk, you have to keep the gas high, but be careful, it should not overflow. And later state, at the ending state, you have to simmer it, make it at slow. Otherwise, it will get burned. Once you mix the sugar and cashew, you have to reduce the flame. Otherwise, it will all get burnt. Now, just to reduce the milk, you can keep it fast. But keep continuously stirring. These are the other sweets which we make for Christmas. There are many more, but this I just made little. This is kalkal with sugar coating. This is without sugar coating. In this we use maida, amul ghee and other many things. These are date rolls. In this also amul ghee is used. Little amul milk also is used in that to polish the dough. And in this there are dates with cashew, walnut, everything stuffed in. Date rolls. These are naan katais. This I made with tel. We make plain naan katais also, but these are with tel. You make tutti frutti naan katais, different type of naan katais. Then these are fugyas, varyas. Something like bread. You can eat with curry or anything. It tastes nice with Vindhyalo, Sarpatel. Vindhyalo Sarpatel can be made out of chicken also. It tastes very nice with that. The milk is almost not reduced, but it is little down. To keep reducing it fully. Keep scraping the side. You can see the milk is getting thick. See at the side all the cream is there. You can see you have to remove that. Otherwise it will all get burnt. To make these talkals, I forgot to tell you all, to make these talkals we use this, it's called a comb. We put a fine layer of atta paste on this and then we roll it. Then it gets this shape, talkal. So this is a comb used for talkal. Give me one plate. A bigger one. I'll just show you all this cake. This is a mixed fruit cake. It's so nice and soft. We make this for Christmas. You can make wine cake also, whichever cake you want. We soak all the preserves and plums, everything into orange juice for a day or something. And then we mix it in the cake. It's very nice to taste. Taste is very good, tasty. Oops, sorry. Be careful, right? To make this sweets, you need lot of patience. Can't leave it and go. It will all come out. That's why it is very tasty. More trouble, the more tastier the sweet is. Even small children love this sweet. It is like chocolate only. Better than chocolate because it's milk and cashews. The children will enjoy this sweet. Instead of giving chocolates for children where their teeth get spoiled, milk cream is better. It has milk which gives protein and cashews which is good for health. You can make milk cream even using almonds. If you don't want cashews, you can use almonds also in it. Taste is same. Nice. See, the milk is almost reduced. You can see, almost reduced. If you have the patience, you can make 1 liter also at a time if you don't want to make small quantity. But you should have patience of stirring it continuously. See, it's all little more. Let it evaporate little more. See, now it is almost all evaporated. Only the cream is there now, thick cream. So at this time you add the sugar, which will again become melt and it will become again liquidy. This, be careful, if it comes on the hand, stain will remain. 275 grams sugar, as I told you before. And 50 grams cashew. This time be careful when you add the sugar and cashews because it gets burned faster. I have kept the gas fast because I know I'm used to this, but all those who are doing it for the first time, be careful, make the gas small. Keep it on semi. And always take powdered sugar. Don't take full sugar. It will not melt. Full sugar will not melt. And make the gas slow. Now it takes another 5 minutes and it will be ready. You can always contact us for any sweets, cakes, masalas, fish curries, whatever you want. Even vegetables we do. It's not only non-veg, vegetarian also we take orders of vegetarian. See, it's leaving the dish. You can see. So when it leaves like this, it's ready to remove. Put little ghee in, as I told you, 1 spoon. See, it's leaving the, you can see it's leaving the vessel, means it's ready. Put it off. And you pour little ghee, Amul ghee. Just open this one, no? Let me just open this. By the time we put the ghee on the plate so that it doesn't stick. I just put half, little bit, see, just little of almond vanilla. And just give it a stir. It's not necessary. If you want to put, you can put, otherwise don't put. It looks liquidy, but as it gets cold, it will get hard. Automatically it gets hard. It takes time, about 2 hours, 3 hours it takes to get cold. But once it cools, you will be able to put it in the form. This is the form. Once that gets cold, you can make it like a ball, like how we make dough of atta ka dough. That way only it will become atta ka dough. Then you make small balls and you put it in this and press it nicely, and you get, I've already done, because it takes time to get cold, so I've already done. It comes this shape. Different type of shells, big, small, all are there here. These are big shells. This middle is small shells. These are different type. Whichever shell shape you want, you can make. But this will get cold. You can make it, bring it all together, make like a ball, like a dough, and then make small balls and put it. This will take about 2 hours to get cold. I hope you all like my milk cream. And you'll have written the recipe. You can try. You will like it very much. And please, if you all want anything, contact our East Indian Culinary group and they will do it for you. Thank you, Amul, once again for promoting us and helping us come up. Thank you very much.